Hello, how are you today, friend? Meet you again with Uncle Sam in here. We will unboxing new toys. Diecast Metal Super Builder. Yay! This one is we have truck. We have what is this? Cylinder, forklift, excavator. Let's open one by one. Okay. Yay! Maybe you already know. This one name is Excavator. Wow! Very solid material. Wow! Good. Very good material. This is Excavator. Ah, this one. Power T08. This one is excavator. Excavator for dig hole, for moving soil, like this. Okay. The next is wait a moment. Wow. Okay. This one, the name is forklift. 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 This one. K12 forklift. This is no truck, but this is forklift. Forklift usually using to lift goods or container goods or another box. This one. Wow. This is for driver sitting. This is the handle. Wow. This one. In the real life, you can see here. Okay. The next is wow. Wow. This is for flattening the road. The name is cylinder. Cylinder, this one is cylinder. Like this. Like this. For flattening the road. The cylinder is for flattening road. After repair, the road must be flattening road, so you can easy to crossing the road. Like this, like this. Okay. In the real life, you can see like this video. Okay, the next video, the next vehicle is wow. This is like bulldozer, but this is no bulldozer. But the function is same. To like this. Very cute. The tire is big. Like bulldozer, but the tire is not chain, but tire is from rubber. If bulldozer, wait a moment, I will show you. Nah, this one. Nah, this is bulldozer. So different. This is bulldozer. This is like ladder. You know, different. Wait a moment, I will show you one again. Wow, this one. Wow, we have three. This name is groundbreaker. This name is bulldozer. This name is bulldozer. This is groundbreaker. And this one, what is this name, friend? You know this name of vehicle? Okay. Okay, the last one is yeah, wow, this is the big truck, monster truck. Wow.
Hey,
Aaron, you have one more. Wow, Aaron have two.
the green one.
This is the green one. This is the orange one. Wow. So handsome, so cute. Wow. We have two big truck. You have another truck? This is a water truck. Wow. And have one again. This is a military truck. Wow. So cool. This is for moving soil, moving goods and another. So bring from the some place to another place. Like this. Wow, we have two truck in here. Wow, very good. Very cool. Okay, friends. So today we have already unboxing 5 new vehicle: cylinder, mini bulldozer, forklift, excavator, and truck. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you again in the next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.